Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the inner tie rods on this 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright guys, I got the wheel off, and this is your outer tie rod. I did a video on that, so if you want to check it out. And this is your inner tie rod in there. Alright, I'm going to take off the cotter pin. Okay, so now you want to bang this down. I just put this in, so it should come out pretty easy. So there's a tool that you could use to take this out without damaging it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put this nut back on like this, and then get a piece of wood and just bang it down. Alright guys, now you got this off. What you want to do is remove this. Now you're going to count the number of turns. It's 18 turns from the last time I did it. Okay, now we got to get this boot off. Take this clamp off. The boot comes off. Alright guys, we're putting a 14 millimeter here to lock this in place, and then I'm going to use the 24 just to take this nut off. Alright, so now you can take this boot off. Alright guys, I went to Advanced Auto Parts and I borrowed this tool. The way it works, you pay them $106, put it on your card, and then when you're done with it, you bring it back and they give you your money back. Or you could keep it if you want. But so this is a crow's foot. I'm going to use 33.6. And just slide the tool in and make sure it gets on there. Then you put a breakable on it. And just loosen it up. Alright guys, this is the new tie rod. This is the part number, and I think they're both the same for both sides. This is your old tie rod, so this you can move pretty easily. This one's very hard to move. Okay, so it came with this new nut, but that's it. Now you gotta, I guess, reuse this retainer washer. Okay. And the way it works is the ends get bent in, so kind of holds this in place from spinning like that. So after you tighten it up, you have to like bang these ends so it doesn't spin. So I'm gonna try to straighten these out. They really should have gave you a new washer, but what are you gonna do? All right guys, I flattened out this washer as much as I could, and this 33.6 does not fit the new part. Okay, so I'm gonna use the next size, 1 7/16. Okay, that's the one that fits on there. So alright guys, before you throw this on, throw a little blue Loctite on there. Make sure these tabs on the washer line up with this. Okay, so they're gonna go, the washer's gonna go like that. Okay, put in your tie rod. Like that. Yeah, tighten this up. Get your tool, slide it on there, and tighten it up. Okay, next step is bending the washer down into the flat spot. Alright guys, we're gonna put a little tie wrap on here. Zip tie, whatever you call it. Like that. And we're gonna throw a little grease. Some on this side too. That's it, it's ready to put on. Alright guys, that's how you do inner tie rods on a Honda Pilot. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.